Hi, this is Shay with Trucks of Sales. Here today looking at this 2011 Freightliner Cascadia with 18-foot Boulder lane dump body with high lift tailgate and electric tarp from Hall Lane Manufacturing. In this one we did the upgraded front suspension, the Yokohama 315s on there. We also got some 10,000 pound steel offset rims, which we painted all gray here, all the rims gray to match the dump body. Thought it would give it a nice look. Got the Hendrickson 13,200 pound steerable lift axle on there. We got the hydraulic tank with the steps leading up to the ladder. We fabricated that tank and battery box here. We got the hitch plate on there, helping to protect those airbags, and later on, if you want to bolt the hitch on, just drill the holes, bolt it right up. Got the little trench gate inspection door here, also makes it nice so you can look inside, check your load, instead of having to climb in the back of the truck. And then, as you can see, if you can read that, got the Hardox 450 1/4-inch Hardox doghouse cover on there as well. Just tons of options with these Boulder lane dump bodies. There's also a version that still uses the 1/4-inch Hardox steel that's 1,100 pounds lighter than this. So definitely give us a call, ask about that. We also did a video on that one on our YouTube channel as well. See, we got the electric tarp up there. Go ahead and take a look in the cab here in a second. Another nice thing about these Cascadias, they got that DD13 engine. You know, when you're not moving 80,000 pounds, you're only moving 60,000. Makes it a little better fuel economy, and it's also lighter than the Cummins ISX 15. So you end up being able to haul more than a Peterbilt or Kenworth, something like that, with the ISX 15, just because this truck has a lighter engine. So we got the PTO mounted on the dash, bed up indicator light, high lift tailgate right there, and the mechanical controls. Pretty much the most reliable way to do it here with the mechanical controls. We also offer electric controls and some other options as well. Got plenty of headroom and leg room with these Cascadia cabs. Little cruise control and engine brake there on the steering wheel, so not too bad. This is basically one of the lowest cost trucks with the DEF system that's available, that's any good, actually. This is Shay with Trucks of Sales. Thank you for viewing. Please visit our website at www.trucksofsales for more information. Thank you.